Look at this train. This is the first fully solar powered train in the world. Wow, what an amazing experience. This is the first time I'm actually in the cockpit of a train. First in the world.
How they're going to power it today?
Learn that you charge offline as well.
Yeah, that's right. We've got solar-fed batteries at the other shed, at the other station.
And we're going to jump on this train for a 15-minute ride. From this historic, iconic lighthouse, we are now going to Byron Bay North Beach Station. Do you know why? We are going to have a train ride. Solar train, solar power train. It's a horrible condition at the moment in Byron Bay, but look at this. This is world's first solar power train, and we are going to ride on this for 15 minutes. And we are at this Byron Bay North Beach railway station, and we are going to jump on this train very soon. And it's pouring down at the moment. There's no escape. We had a lovely time at the Lighthouse, but since then we took a taxi to this North Beach Station, and it's just pouring down. Our train is at 3 o'clock. We wanted to do this and we'll do that because this train is running. It's pouring down, and how they're running the solar train, I think they have charged it. It has just stopped raining a little bit. From the Lighthouse, we took a taxi and we came to the North Beach Station in Byron Bay. Look at this train. This is the first fully solar powered train in the world. And we are going to jump on this train for a 15-minute ride through the shoreline from North Beach to the main beach to the center of Byron Bay, and that is going to be amazing. This train has started in 2017, although this actual carriage is a very heritage one, very old one. The original train line ran since 1849. I think there was a train line through Casino, but in 2004 that stopped, and this rail line and these carriages were made abundant until they restored it, and now they're running with solar power. If you look at on top of these coaches, there are solar cells sitting. So basically that's actually the source of the power of this train, and this is amazing. And we are having a fantastic experience today, although it's raining very much, but we are happy. So it's becoming a very, very eventful day with the rain, and we are covering everything possible in Byron Bay. And so we haven't booked our ticket of this train yet, but I think we can buy it on board. We have got our tickets, and let's jump on this beautiful heritage train powered by solar energy. So this is the entrance, and look at this. This is a beautiful interior, isn't it? And we have got our nice window seat. Arunima, show me the tickets. These are so beautiful, single tickets, because we are actually doing a 10 to 15 minutes ride to the city center. And to answer our question, the guy was explaining that there are solar panels on the top of the train, but also there are solar panels on the train station. And so when they're standing, they charge the battery, so never really they run out of solar energy. Beautiful windows and really grand seats, all leather seats. And it says ride in style, so you can actually have lunch on board as well. Very comfortable seats, isn't it? Here, very nice. We just started from the North Beach Station. We have just changed our lines. And look at this. This is actually going through wetland. This is really beautiful feature of this train line. It is going past this beautiful wetland. Wow, we are crossing a beautiful water body on both sides. This is so scenic. Let's go in front of the train. we have different coaches, and that was a level crossing. Actually making a vlog and on all of the Byron Bay, and this is just a fantastic addition.
Yeah, definitely, absolutely.
I'm actually now allowed to in front of the train. Wow, this is amazing. And what's your name?
Nathan by name.
Ah, Nathan, yeah,
What's your
you're
name?
Ritaban.
Good to meet you, mate.
Very nice to meet you. And I was just reading that this train has got generative brakings. So like electric vehicles, when it brakes, it actually transfers some of the energy into the battery.
That's what we run now. It's the golden handle.
Ah,
Yeah, so slow down a little bit.
wow, what an amazing experience. This is the first time I'm actually in the cockpit of a train. This train line is so heritage, so beautiful, and it's been running since 1849. So it's a very heritage train line, although it was abandoned for a number of years before this train was restored in 2017. And since then, I think I was reading, in first 19 days they carried almost 10,000 people. And look at that, after the rain we have a fantastic rainbow, and we are arriving at the other end, close to the city. This is our end point. Thank you very much, Nathan. Wonderful. And your name?
Candy.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's actually 22 years ago to the day that the line was originally shut down.
Right, yeah, 2004, isn't it? Yeah.
And yeah, then we've been running for about 8.5 years, so yeah, had to fix a lot of it up and restore it.
And it was raining so much today. I was thinking how you're going to get the power, but I just learned that you charge offline as well.
Yeah, that's right. We've got solar fed batteries at the other shed, at the other station.
And is this the original setup?
Yeah, pretty much. Yes, all this is original. This one here basically tells the train to go forwards or backwards. And then this one, like from the cab, of course. And then this one used to be the throttle selection for the diesel engine. So,
Okay.
back when you were running it as a diesel train, you can see the tachometers here. So yeah, that's what you would use. But these days we take this lever back as far as the transmission,
Yeah.
and that just lets us use the wheels. And then this is the throttle we use for the solar power.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. All the best.
No worries, man. No worries.
That was an amazing experience. So if you are visiting Byron Bay, you must find 15 minutes and jump on this train always. And this train is starting again very soon. It's going to the North Beach Station. So we are going to capture that. What an amazing experience we had in Byron Bay. Meeting Nathan was just one of the highlights of the day, and he explained so nicely how he's operating the heritage train. That was lovely, and I could see in the front. This is the first time. Everything has a first time, and that made me very excited. So this train is going to start very soon. Passing through different wetlands was just fantastic. And then obviously this is a very short ride, but it is full of characters. That's what makes the journey so interesting. And this is the station, the other station called Byron Beach. So this is where the city center or the town center is. And be sure you will be very famous.
What's your channel?
Diversity Travelers.
Diversity
Okay, have a look on the YouTube. It started. And the rainbow is just fantastic in the background. It was pouring, but now we have got fantastic rainbow.